Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram call sound problem in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you want to make a call on Instagram and facing the issue that Instagram calls sound not working. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to check your internet connection on your phone. So guys, maybe there is a weak internet connection. So guys, if you have connected with any weak internet connection, simply you have to click on that Wi-Fi and you need to forget this network, and guys you need to reconnect it again. And after doing this, or you need to change your internet connection, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. And guys, the second step is maybe there is a update problem on your Instagram app. So guys, if you are using downgrade version of Instagram, simply you have to upgrade your Instagram. So guys, how can you do this? You need to open your app store here, and here you need to search Instagram. Simply you have to search your Instagram app here. So guys, as you can see here, Instagram app, you need to open your app, and from here you need to update your app, and after doing update you have to go back. So guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then you have to open your settings, scroll it below, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and you need to find your Instagram, and you need to offload your app from here. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again from App Store and log in again, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.